Hello everyone. In this video we will see what was Tulsa massacre that happened in US 100 years ago. So my name is Priyanka Lal and welcome to Insight X. So this has been seen in news all around because of two reasons majorly. First is that it completed 100 years on 31st of May 2021, and second is that US president visited this city Tulsa where the massacre happened, and here he commemorated this massacre. So, why is this important? This is important because the history has been intentionally hidden and not many Americans know about it. And it's the first time that any US president, in fact, has recognized this massacre, and for decades, people have even avoided talking about it. So, when Biden visited the city, he gave a very appreciable statement. He said, "For much too long, the history of what took place here was told in silence. While darkness can hide much, it erases nothing." Now let's see where is Oklahoma. So this is the map of United States. I've not included the Alaska wala portion. So here I've highlighted this state, this pink state. This is Oklahoma state, and here you can find the city Tulsa. And just a few days back, Kamala Harris and Joe Biden also visited the family of George Floyd. Because of him, last year, large, massive anti-racism protests were happening across the US. Now, in 1921, this neighborhood Tulsa was also called Green Hood District or a Black Wall Street. So, black people used to usually come here and settle down who were seeking the upward mobility. So, for work or for jobs, they used to come here and settle down. And soon the city turned out to be the bustling community of black owned businesses. So, people used to so the city was entirely run by the black Americans of that time, and it was estimated that 10,000 residents were usually staying here. Now we know that America has a history of racism, and you can imagine the situation. If you can find instances at the present time, you can imagine the situation that existed 100 years ago, how much tight segregation it would have been. So this is the example of Tulsa city, that here in between there was a railway track that was dividing the both localities. One side it was the white people who were living, and other side it was the black Americans who were living, and black people couldn't go into this white people's colony. So there was a very tight racial segregation in the cities. Now, what was the immediate cause of the event? So, there was a 19-year-old delivery boy, and on 31st May 1921, he got arrested in case of assaulting a 17-year-old girl, which was never confirmed. And next day after his arrest, there was a local newspaper that reported about this assault, and this was little misleading. And this news was essentially a call for action for whites. Now, after reading this news, people got really angry that how could a black man assault a white woman? So you can imagine the situation that there was so much of racial discrimination, and that time, if you hear a news that someone is assaulting, so that became the immediate cause of anger between the white Americans, and they descended over this Black Wall Street with lots of arms, and here the black people got outnumbered, and it led to over 300 deaths of black people. It was believed that 1200 homes were destroyed, and 35 blocks, this whole area consisted of 35 blocks that were completely burned. Okay, so much of violence took place on that one day. Now, what happened after the massacre? After all the violence happened, there was a martial law that was imposed in the city, and its cover up started. Now, all the records went missing, including the article itself that was immediate trigger for these riots. And this was the strangest thing. So, the history of this event was totally erased from records of USA. And this is the reason why so many Americans don't even know about it. सो इट्स लाइक कि अभी बाइडेन ने रिकॉग्नाइज किया है तो कुछ लोगों को पता चलेगा क्योंकि अभी न्यूज़ में आ जाएगा इसीलिए। लेकिन उससे पहले यहाँ पे जो है इसे इंटेंशनली इसका कवर अप करा गया है, कोई किसी प्रेसिडेंट ने यहाँ इसको रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं किया है। सो दैट्स द रीजन। Now, in 1997, there was a commission of Oklahoma that was set up for inquiring about this event and to talk with witnesses who were there present at that time, that what actually happened. So many of the witnesses told that it was so bad that many of the bodies were dumped into the river. Now this commission estimated the total loss of money that happened because of the property laws. They said that it was about $2.8 million lost because of this massacre. Now, the present status is that the lawsuit is pending against the city of Tulsa, where these affected families need to be compensated. In last, I would like to quote Carol Tavris. She once said, "History is written by the victors, but it's victim who write the memoirs." I hope this video gave you some insight regarding this issue. So, this was it, and thank you so much.